This video explains how to buy shares of Biontech SE using the Xetra listing and the ticker 22UA.DE. Biontech is a German biotech company focused on vaccines and immunotherapies, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search box and type the ticker 22UA.DE to locate the Xetra listing. Choose the result that matches Biontech SE to open the official asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company description and the price chart to confirm details. Make sure the exchange reads Xetra and the ticker is 22UA.DE to verify you have the correct listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or scheduled for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After confirmation, your Biontech SE position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro example is available in the video description if you want to follow the same demonstrated steps.